All right, so we are up Saturday morning getting some sand to put at the bottom of the chicken coop.
And I'm smushing it down for the chickens.
Such a wonderful helper. All right, stay tuned. All right, we are finished putting the sand in, and we are now, Miss Araya is about to let the chickens out. As you saw too in the video earlier, I forgot to mention, there were like a lot of flies. You can see the flies.
Come on.
From just them being out here maybe about a week or so with no sand. So yeah, you definitely want to put something at the bottom if you do decide to cement your coop or put pavers down. So we will see their reaction.
We have to take them out.
Okay.
I think I scared them throwing them in there.
Yes.
No, it won't come out.
Why'd you scare them, Mom?
I wasn't attempting to scare them. I was just trying to put them up. They still don't want to come out. All right, it's been probably maybe about 30-45 minutes since we put the chickens in here. I got situated, oh gosh, with the rabbits. Big Willie and Pink got to eat for a little while. And check out these lovely ladies. Cannot tell me that they are not enjoying this. All right, Rooster has made it out. Looks like everybody is out here. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think I'm missing 2 white chicks. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, they must still be up in there. Let's see. There they are. All right, they're just posted up. Oh, there's a black one too. All right, so they just haven't made their way. All right, but everyone else is enjoying it. We're gonna get, still deciding on what we're gonna do as far as the food. I definitely want it hanging because, you know, as you already see, there's sand in the water. I just gotta figure out how we're gonna do it. I wanted to do it from the outside, but we'll think on it some more and see what's gonna be the most feasible for us with our setup. Stay tuned.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.